it's me, Poppy. Welcome back to Spartan Kids. Today we will draw an aeroplane. So, let's draw an aeroplane and make it ready to fly. Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time. How to draw an aeroplane. Step 1. Draw a long curved shape. Be sure to note that the left end looks more like a C. Step 2. Draw an inverted version of the first curve that you have drawn on the top to produce a rough outline of the airplane's body. Step 3. Draw the tail of the plane by joining the curved lines. Step 4. Sketch the airplane's wings on each side. Step 5. At the front of the plane, draw an arched windshield. Step 6. Draw the rest of the passenger windows in the form of a circle on the airplane body. Step 7. At the back of the plane, draw a small tail element. Step 8. Color the drawing and add clouds or other planes for details. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!